everybody, welcome to today's question of the day. Before we start, remember that all of these notes and all the notifications that you're looking forward to is available in our WhatsApp community. So scan the QR code and join the community without any delay. And also we are running our countdown series for you 12th standard students preparing for your board exam. So definitely do tune into the series and attempt the test every single day, because consistent performers can get a one-on-one meeting with your favorite teachers, which will be very, very beneficial to you. Okay, so let's start off with today's question of the day. What will happen to the immune system if the thymus gland is removed is the fundamental question. So how would you answer this? Firstly, the thymus gland is one of the primary lymphoid organs in our body, right? So what do you mean by a primary lymphoid organ? It is going to take part in the maturation of the T lymphocyte. So even if the bone marrow is going to produce the lymphocyte for the maturation, for the division, for the differential characterization and development of the lymphocytes, we definitely need the thymus specific for the T lymphocytes. So T means thymus. So lymphocytes that come here are called the T lymphocytes. So if you remove this gland, then obviously the immune system will become weakened, right? Because the T lymphocytes may not be efficient, and for our immune system process, we know that the T lymphocytes play a very, very important role. So as a result, it will be weakened for the person. Okay, so that's all you have to answer. This is a simple 2-mark question, which you can just remember these two keywords. Okay, so our Xylem has the fast track batch, which is already started, but you can join in now with a 15% off. So use the Mega 15 and start your preparation now. For our online coaching batches, which is Talabadi for the 12th standard and Vetri for the repeaters batch, we are running a 30% off right now. So you can utilize this and start your preparation without any delay, and make sure that you are able to push yourself in this last few months that are remaining. Okay, so I hope this session was useful to you. Join our batches if you are willing to. Do tune into the countdown series, and let's prepare for our boards, let's prepare for our competitive exam, and let's rock. All the best.